Hello, welcome to Tech World. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to buy a new phone.
Great. Do you want a smartphone or a basic phone?
A smartphone, please.
Okay. Do you have any brand in mind?
Not really. I just want a good phone with a nice camera and a big screen.
Sure. We have many options. Do you want something expensive or something cheaper?
I prefer something not too expensive.
No problem. Come with me, please. These are our best phones under $400.
Wow, there are so many.
Yes. Here's one. It's the X Phone Lite. It has a 6.2-inch screen and a 48-megapixel camera.
That sounds good. How much is it?
It's $350.
Okay. Does it have a lot of storage?
Yes, it has 128 gigabytes of storage.
Nice. And how's the battery?
The battery is very good. It can last all day.
Interesting. Can I see another one?
Of course. Here's the Smart Go 10. It has a 6.5-inch screen, a 64-megapixel camera, and 256 gigabytes of storage.
Wow, that's a lot. How much is this one?
This one is $420, but it's on sale today for $390.
Oh, that's a good deal.
It also has fast charging. You can charge it to 100% in 1 hour.
Really? That's nice. Does it have a fingerprint sensor?
Yes, it has a fingerprint sensor and face unlock.
Cool.
We also have some smaller phones, if you prefer something light.
No, I like big screens. I watch a lot of videos.
I see. Then these two are good choices for you.
Between the X Phone Lite and the Smart Go 10, which one is better?
The Smart Go 10 is faster and has more storage, but the X Phone Lite is cheaper and still has a good camera.
I think I need a fast phone. I use many apps.
Then the Smart Go 10 might be the best for you.
Do you have it in other colors?
Yes, we have black, blue, and silver.
I like the blue one.
Good choice. It looks very nice.
Does it come with headphones?
No, headphones are not included, but we have wireless headphones on sale.
How much are they?
They're $50, but if you buy the phone today, you get 20% off.
Maybe I will get them later.
No problem. Do you want to pay in cash or by card?
By card, please.
Great. Do you want to add a screen protector or a phone case?
How much are they?
The screen protector is $10 and the phone case is $15.
Okay, I'll take both. I want to protect my new phone.
Good idea. I'll add them to your bill.
Thank you.
So, one Smart Go 10 in blue, one screen protector, and one phone case. The total is $415.
Okay, here's my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt and your new phone.
Great. I'm excited to use it.
Do you need help setting it up?
No, thank you. I can do it at home.
All right. Enjoy your new phone.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.